Want to know how I earn more than $11,000 monthly from selling word search books looking like these on Amazon KDP? Join me as I provide a step-by-step guide on creating incredible word search books perfect for the summer holidays. By following this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to earning more than $10,000 a month through sales on Amazon KDP. Make sure to watch the entire video and show your support by liking and subscribing. Your enthusiasm fuels my motivation to create more tutorials that assist you in building wealth online. So let's dive right in without any further delay. First, I will head to BookBolt. I will leave a link in the description box below. This is an amazing tool that helps you create a lot of activity books and low-content books for your KDP business. But in today's video, we will focus on creating word search puzzle book. So I will click here and choose Create. It will take me to the BookBolt studio where all the magic happens. Now I will click on Project, then choose New Project, and this window will show up. Now I will choose to create the paperback cover and interior because this tool is all you need to create the whole book including the cover. I will name the project, then I will choose the trim size to be 8.5 by 11 inches, then I will choose Bleed. I will create 50 puzzles in this book, so I will type 100 in the page count field because we need 50 pages for the puzzles and 50 pages for the solutions of the puzzles. Then I will click Create Project. Now as you can see, we have the cover pages here and also we have 100 pages to work on. I will leave the first 2 pages for the This Belongs to page and its blank backside. And I will start creating my puzzles starting from the 3rd page. So I will click on this icon to create the activity pages. As you can see, there are a lot of options here so you can get creative. But for the sake of this video, I will focus on creating word search book. So I will click on Word Puzzle. And I will see a lot of options for word search puzzles, but I will choose this one here. And as agreed, I will leave the first 2 pages empty, and I will start my puzzles from the 3rd page. For the sake of the video timing, I will create only 5 pages with you, but you can follow the same process to create any number of pages you want. I will choose 5 pages and then click Next. Then I will get this window to customize my puzzle books. But first, we need to find out the words we will use in our puzzles. For this, I will head over to ChatGPT and I will ask it to provide me with 100 words related to summer and summer vacation. I will choose 100 words because I will make only 5 pages, but try to type the exact number of words you need to create all of your puzzles. I will give it time, and here as you can see, I have 100 words related to summer. Now what I will do is I will open an Excel sheet, then I will copy 15 words from ChatGPT, then leave an empty cell below them. This tells BookBolt to start a new puzzle page after the empty cell. So each time I want to create a new puzzle page, I will just leave an empty cell. I will follow the same steps till I add all the words for all my puzzle pages. Now I will save my file as a CSV file. Now let's complete the options window for the puzzles. You can change the font size and color. And I can also change the stroke width and solutions highlight color. And there are some cool options that you can test and play around till you get a fun and engaging puzzle page. I will choose min words per page to be 15, and here I will choose to put the solution pages after all puzzle pages. Then the final step is to upload our CSV Excel file to upload the words we want to add to our puzzle pages. Then I will click Next and give it some time to create the puzzle pages for me. Now as you can see, it shows me that it will create 5 pages of puzzles, then 5 pages of solutions, because I choose the solutions to be after all the pages of the puzzles. As you can see, we have some amazing and professional puzzles that were created from our CSV file. Now let's make our puzzle book a little fancy. So I will push the page down a little bit, then I will click on the text icon here, and I will type something like word search puzzle number 1, and I will adjust its position and size. And I will do the same with the answer pages too, so people know which answer page belongs to which puzzle page. Now, let's spice things up a little. I want to add a summary shape behind our puzzle, so I will click on the image icon, and I will search for something like watermelon. What is better than a cold watermelon in a hot summer? I will choose this black and white one and add it here. I will rotate it a little bit and change the opacity from here. As you can see, the page looks pretty amazing and cool. We can apply the same style to all pages when you like the result. Now let's create the This Book Belongs to page. To do this, I will do the first page that we left blank. Then I will choose the text icon to add a text element. I will type This Book Belongs to, Then I will change the font and size. I will now place it right in the middle of the page. Now let's add the watermelon we used before and place it here exactly. Perfect. Now let's add a line so people can write their names on. I will go to Shapes and choose the line. I will resize it and move it to a suitable position in the middle, just like this. Amazing. Now we have an amazing and professional This Book Belongs to page. And we have one final step before our book is ready, which is creating the cover for our summer word search book. To create our book cover, we will head to the cover page at the top. Then I will choose the picture icon to add pictures to the cover page. I will type in the search bar, summer. I want the background of my book to be like the sky or the sea, so I will search for a suitable image. I think I like this one, so I will click on it. Now I will drag it and resize it till it fits inside the cover. Now let's create our professional looking cover page without any Photoshop or graphic design skills. Just I need a main element to build my cover around. So I will search for watermelon because it is an amazing summer fruit that nearly everyone likes and it is so colorful. And I will search till I find a watermelon without a background to place on my cover page. This one here is amazing, so I will click on it and I will resize it and place it here for now. Now let's go to Shapes and choose something for our title. I think I will choose this one here. I will resize it and place it in the middle. Now I will change the color and I make this cute watermelon my reference. So here is a tip. I want to make the color exactly like this watermelon, pale red. So I will click down here on this option called Pipette that looks like eyedropper, and I will click on the watermelon to get the exact same color shade. Amazing! Now I will add the title, so I will choose the text icon and I will type summer. I will change its color to white. Now I will add the subtitle too. Following the same steps, I will add another text element and type word search and also change the size and font. I will play around with these elements till I like the result. Great! Now I will take a screenshot of one of my answer pages and I will use it in the cover page. I will upload my screenshot and place it right here. Now I will keep resizing till I get the result I want. Great! I need to bring the watermelon forward, so I will right click on it and choose Bring Forward. Now I will add another word element below the watermelon, so I will copy the shape and the text from the title at the top of the page and I will type something like large print. Now let's add another image to the cover page to make it more colorful. So I will click on the image icon and I will type something like juice because it suits the summer theme. I will keep searching for a juice element without a background and with colors that suit our color theme. I like this one, so I will add it and resize it. Now the final touches. Perfect. As you can see, we created an amazing cover page for our summer word search book without needing any graphic skills or complicated graphic apps. Let's have a final look at our word search puzzle book. It looks amazing and professional. Now we can download it to upload it later on our Amazon KDP account and for the sales to start rolling in. We will head to download and choose to download the project as CMYK because we created a book that will be printed. Give it some time till it downloads. When you download the zip file, you will have two PDF files, one for the interior and one for the cover. You can then upload them to Amazon KDP and start doing some sales. You can follow the same steps to do any kind of activity book or word search books. If you want to see more of my videos about how to make money online, please subscribe to my channel as I upload videos weekly to help you build your wealth online. Your support is appreciated. Thanks for watching, hustlers, and see you in another video.